Babes, jumping right into the video. For products, I'm going to be using the Grow Baby Grow leave-in conditioner, the Grow Baby soft curl cream, and the Grow Baby Grow peppermint castor oil. So all the details will be listed in my description box. I'm also using their detangler. I actually have a bundle set up with them called the Cryssy Bundle. So it's like shampoo, conditioner, and all the 3 other products that I just showed you. Starting off with freshly washed hair, I did shampoo and condition with the Grow Baby Grow products as well. Y'all, look at my hair. So keep in mind, when I trimmed my hair initially, the bang area was shorter than the back. There's still some areas that actually needed to be trimmed a little bit better in the top. So this is, yeah, I'm going to be doing a trim video pretty soon. I already have it filmed. It's just a matter of me putting it up. So be on the lookout for that video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. Now's a good time to do that. Yeah, and all that good stuff. And turn on the post notifications. That way you never miss another video. So you guys are going to be wondering why I have on gloves. It's because I bite my nails. So at the end of this little section, I'm going to show you guys what my nails are looking like right now during this whole quarantine thing. But for now, just to avoid my fingers hurting and just being irritated, I put on some gloves, y'all. It's that bad, like seriously. So taking a wide tooth comb, my hair was pretty much already detangled, but I'm just kind of combing it out. I'm going to go ahead and section this. But today's video is pretty much going to be showing you how to do I guess a knotless, or not even knotless, a heatless blowout. So the goal is to pretty much avoid as much heat as you can on your hair. I'm just gonna section this to about I don't even know how many sections I ended up with. I think it may have been about 12, but of course you're gonna do this according to your hair. You can do them in larger sections or smaller sections depending on how long or short your hair is. And so just gonna slowly apply the products in sections. So the leave-in conditioner first, and pretty much everything else following that. I think towards the end of the video I use coconut oil, but this is not one of those videos that will require me to talk too much. I'm literally just sectioning it off in no perfect or strategic way, and then I'm going to just start to braid it down. If you guys are not familiar with how to braid, you are not good at it, don't worry about it. This is not a time to perfect your braiding. The goal is just to allow your hair to dry in one type of shape or form, so that way it's stretched out and you don't have to worry about waking up with the afro the next day. So gonna go ahead and kind of flip through this, play some nice little tunes, and I will be back towards the end of the video. So as you guys can see, I have pretty much completed all of the braids. Like I said, I don't know how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm counting 13 or 14. I may be off. You guys will let me know in the comments, I'm sure. But once I get everything pretty much set in stone, I apply the peppermint oil or peppermint castor oil to the base of my hair, my scalp area, the nape of my neck, around my edges, pretty much anywhere that I want to stimulate the hair growth. And then I will take my coconut oil to actually go ahead and kind of seal the ends as well. So now that the gloves are off, look at my fingers, y'all. Comment below if you bite your nails, or if you're struggling right now through this quarantine, having to paint your own. Please let me know. Ugh, so gross. But anyway, this is pretty much the gist of the video. I'm pretty much just going to, like I said, seal my ends with the coconut oil. You can use pretty much whatever it is that you have. If you don't like coconut oil, use olive oil or jojoba oil, all those different types of things, just to pretty much seal it in, and then go ahead and tie your hair up and allow it to dry overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you should be all set. I pretty much have a cute little face on, and I'm going to slowly just start to take out the braids. It's not going to be in any strategic way, shape, or form. I did take a little bit of oil. I think this was like a Paul Mitchell oil. It has nothing to do with nothing, y'all. But just to kind of allow the slip to be able to take out the braids a little bit easier. I low-key have a braid out, but this was just definitely not even a wearable braid out in my opinion, just because it looks funky, and I definitely needed to trim my ends. So the goal here, like I said, with stretched hair, we got stretched hair. We're gonna pick this out, and we will pretty much be all set. So if you guys are not already subscribed, definitely make sure to do that. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video.